The Sinter-1 and Sinter-2 gas supply regulators must carefully be set to ensure proper function of the sinter. The regulator setting utility makes this task easier by providing precise and immediate feedback about gas pressure settings. You must set the gas regulators before proceeding with any sinter operation. The utility will guide you through the process of setting the gas supply regulators. At each step of the process, be sure to carefully read and follow the on-screen instructions to guarantee correct functioning. I would like to note, when setting the regulators, always increase the setting slowly to avoid overshooting the target. Once gas is flowing, the pressure setting cannot be decreased, so if you go past the maximum pressure, the utility will prompt you to try again. To begin this utility, simply select the banner at the bottom of the UI on the sinter. The current regulator pressure readings will display on screen. If either of the readings is out of spec, the appropriate button will be enabled on screen. At this point, we will select either Set Inert Gas Pressure or Set Mixed Gas Pressure, depending on which regulator needs to be adjusted. When prompted by the utility, turn the regulator knob to lower the pressure setting below the specified value, then select Next. Now, we will slowly increase the regulator pressure until it falls into the specified range. Make sure to pause after adjusting the regulator to account for creep before proceeding. Once within range, we can press Verify. The sinter will now verify the pressure setting. If it completes successfully, we will be brought to the main screen. Otherwise, we will need to restart the process for this current input. If necessary, we will repeat the same steps for the other gas input. Once both regulators have been set correctly, we can select Done to exit the utility.